Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. Thank you for dropping by. So I recently incorporated a skincare routine and I am starting with the masking once or twice a week. I have 6 different types of masks, but today I am doing the collagen one. If you haven't seen my last shorts video, please do so that you can see the other 5 types. So you start with cleansing your face, you dry it and just leave it bare, don't apply anything. Then put on your mask and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. After that, you remove the mask. There's some liquid that's left in the package. Apply it on your face and leave it on your face for the rest of the night or for the rest of the day. It is best applied right before you sleep or on days you are not leaving your house. So, what is the one skincare routine item are you incorporating into your daily routine? Let me know in the comments below. And it smells amazing. So the sponsor of today's video is Arum Lily on Instagram. They're selling all sorts of body masks, starting with face mask sheets. And as I had said, watch my last shorts video to see the sorts of masks they have and their phone number and their Instagram at. But I leave all the details in the description below. So be on the lookout. And yeah, ensure you order your masks 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever, who's counting. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the video and please don't forget to subscribe, share,